So first what I'm going to do is I like to use an SPF, especially because I have a lot of dark marks. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking some rose water spray and spraying that all over my face, as well as taking my primer. I like to use the Milani primer as well as the e.l.f. Poreless primer. And I'm just going to go in with a brush and buff everything in. Then what I like to do is I like to take a semi full coverage foundation, more of a medium to full, and this is the Milani 2-in-1 foundation, and I'm just going to pop this all over my skin. I like this one because it doesn't feel too heavy on my skin, and it's just the right amount of coverage, and it matches me perfectly. I want to take that down my neck as well, just to make sure that everything is seamless. Then what I like to do is I like to go in with a brow gel. This is just the one from NYX, and I just like to fill in my brows. I didn't really use a pencil here just because I wanted to keep it on the more natural side and thinner side. Then I'm going to go in with my Sephora concealer, and I'm just going to conceal. Then I'm going in with this LA Girl contour stick and just contouring under my chin, my jawline, and my nose. Then I'm just going to be blending everything out. Then I'm going to be blending out that concealer that I put under my eyes. Then I'm just going to contour my face with some bronzer from NYX. And then I'm going to be baking with a little bit of my NYX setting powder. The palette that I'm using is actually this Morphe 9D palette, and it has pretty much every single shade that I wear on my eyes. And I don't really like to use too many different colors just because I know what works for me and I know how I want to make my eyes look, and I just like to use these shades. And I like to use rose water spray just to make sure that the shimmer is a little more pigmented. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be dusting off that baking powder, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some blush. This one is from Milani. I like to put a little bit on my nose and my forehead, just a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with some of my Becca highlight, loose highlight powder, the collaboration with Chrissy Cravings. Then what I'm doing is I'm going in with my mascara. And I'm going in with this ColourPop lipsticks. I'll leave the names of them down below. Then I'm going in with this NYX liquid lipstick, and I'm trying to make my lips as even as possible. And then I'm just going to set my face with the matte setting spray.